Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on YouTube. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser where you are logged into your account. And then once you are in the web browser, type in youtube.com in the address bar and press enter. Now, since you are not logged out from your account already, you will be able to access all of your account information right away. Now, from the home page, in order to log out, just click on your account icon at the top right corner and then you will find the sign out button. Just click on sign out and you will immediately be logged out from your account. Now, if you wish to sign back in, you can click on the sign in button and you will either be asked to choose your Google account or log in by entering your password. Just type in your account password and click on the next button and you will once again be logged back in. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on YouTube. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.